Hello, I am Peter from Wham, and I'm here to tell you about a brand new product that we're real excited to show you. This new product represents the second product in a long line of innovative products we're developing, not just for FDM printing, but also for resin printing, for part cleanup and finishing, for electronic builds. And this new product is the Slap Mat. The Slap Mat is a grade A 100% silicone 500 by 240 millimeter work mat. It was initially developed for resin printing. You work directly on this with your resins, with your bottles, with pouring from the vat into your bottle, mixing resins, scraping your parts off the build plate, all on this mat. Instead of working on cardboard and paper towel and throwing that toxic mess away, after you're done, you just lift up the slap mat, bring it outside, and let the sunlight cure the liquid resin. Once it is cured, you flex it to get the resin to pop off. You throw away that safe, cured resin, and you're back to preparing and working with resin prints. On top of it all, the slap mat was made to fit underneath your consumer grade, smaller resin printers like the Elegoo Mars or the E-Packs. You could put your build plate down right in front of it, or your resin bottles, control the drips, control the messes and the spills. On top of all this, Slap Mat is also an amazing electronic assembly station. Slap Mat resists drops of molten solder. It resists direct contact with a hot tip for minutes. Slap Mat also makes for an amazing post-processing station. Work directly over it and it's going to resist nearly every glue that you throw at it, including super glues, epoxies, bondos, spot putty, even dripping super glue straight on the slap mat with some baking soda or accelerator, mixing your bondos and spot putties and even your two-part epoxies directly on it will have no bearing. When the glue is dried, simply peel back, the super glues release. The epoxies won't even stick to the mat. We just recently launched this product at the East Coast Rep Festival. It was received amazingly by the people there. We sold out of all of the inventory that we brought. We were really hoping to have some left over. It turns out that our customers were buying these in multiples because they could see the application under the printers, on their work surfaces, as soldering mats, as so many uses. So we've decided to sell these both individually and in 3-packs at a really nice price. We hope that you love them as much as we do. Please, if you get your slap mat, post some photos, show us how you're using it, share, and also let us know if you're really desiring a different format, size, or accessory for this. We're real interested in where the slap mat line is going. Thank you again. Let me know in your comments what you think about it and where you think we should go with this.